Unlocking Civil Authority, Legal Frameworks for Autonomy. This document explores the foundational principles of civil and public legal capacities, emphasizing how individuals can reclaim autonomy, navigate public obligations, and identify conspiracy to defraud. It includes practical steps, insights on legal remedies, and strategies for asserting private rights within a complex legal system. This guide is structured to provide an understanding of key concepts like civil curatorship, private claims, estate rights, and the interplay between public and private law. By reading this, you can uncover actionable tools to challenge the status quo. Understanding civil versus public legal capacities. The distinction between civil and public capacities is critical to navigating legal systems. In public capacity, individuals are bound by statutory obligations. Civil capacity allows for asserting private rights and managing personal affairs autonomously. To reclaim civil authority, identify public obligations imposed through contracts or agreements, such as driver's licenses or social security numbers. Revoking such instruments, while strategic, should be done with an understanding of replacement systems, like securing estate INs and private mail bank numbers. Conspiracy to defraud and counterfeit courts. Many modern courts operate outside their lawful jurisdiction, particularly when adjudicating equity cases. They often function as counterfeit entities, misrepresenting their authority. Understanding this distinction empowers individuals to challenge fraudulent practices. Equity, which pertains to fairness and justice, belongs to the jurisdiction of private individuals and not public courts. The 11th Amendment supports this by affirming the people's control over equity courts. The role of a civil curator. A civil curator acts as the fiduciary of an estate or entity. This role allows individuals to operate in the private, shielded from public obligations. Becoming a civil curator involves filing appropriate forms, such as IRS Form 56, to assume fiduciary responsibility over assets and liabilities. For example, debts incurred by a deceased individual can be managed through the estate IN, with liabilities settled privately. This prevents public entities from enforcing claims improperly. Navigating IRS filings, key insights. Properly handling IRS filings is central to asserting civil authority. Forms such as 1099 OID, 1099-C, and 1041 are tools for managing financial transactions and offsetting debts. Send these forms to designated private IRS addresses, ensuring they are processed in the correct jurisdiction. Public offices often mishandle filings, leading to unnecessary penalties or delays. Understanding the difference between public and private IRS operations is essential for success. Countering fraudulent claims and penalties. If faced with penalties or frivolous claims, respond with a formal affidavit. An American counter affidavit can assert your private rights and challenge the legitimacy of public actions. For instance, if the IRS imposes a fine, sending a properly structured affidavit can halt further action. Always operate as the chief clerk of the court, emphasizing your authority as a private individual. The importance of private banking. Private banking systems enable autonomy in financial transactions. Establishing a private mail bank, PMB, number associated with your IN ensures transactions remain within the private domain. This PMB number, often in the format of a zip code plus 4 digits, functions as a private routing number. It symbolizes your status as a private banker, enabling secure and independent financial operations. Final thoughts on civil autonomy. Achieving legal autonomy requires knowledge, preparation, and strategic action. Understanding the interplay between public and private legal capacities empowers individuals to reclaim their rights and navigate complex systems with confidence. Always operate with clarity, ensuring your actions align with the principles of equity and justice. This guide serves as a foundational tool for building your legal and financial independence. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, we neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.